You're my spicy margarita, babe. Burn my tongue, make me shake. Mix it up or give it to me straight. Turn me on, make me say, oh.
Cabo, met that girl in Cabo, wearing Ferragamo. We was going shot for shot like Desperado. Snuck into the bathroom, she might be a problem. I should probably stay away. Girl, you crazy, couldn't even wait for the room. Shaking, trying to keep up with you.
You're my spicy margarita, babe. Burn my tongue, make me shake. Mix it up or give it to me straight. Turn me on, make me say,
Shy. I just can't stop. You're the only one I want.
you're my spicy margarita, baby. Burn my tongue, make me say.
Morning, sex me in the morning. Put on a performance. I be going shot for shot. She think I'm Jordan, but she screamed a ruler. My ego enormous. Feeling of your body, babe. Girl, you crazy. Couldn't even wait for the room. Shaking, trying to keep up with you.
You're my spicy margarita, babe. Burn my tongue, make me shake. Mix it up or give it to me straight. Turn me on, make me say,
Shy. I just can't stop. You're the only one I want.
you're my spicy margarita, baby. Burn my tongue, make me say.
Is it hot enough?
Yeah, it's hot enough.
Should I take it off?
Hell yeah, you should take it off.
Is it hot enough?
Yeah, it's hot enough.
Should I take it off?
Hell yeah, you should take it off.
Let's learn shot for shot. It's choreographed by Dustin, Valcalda, and Sierra Gill. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front 12 all the way through with steps and counts, and then go around and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn shot for shot. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to do right and left side mambo. So you're going to rock the ball of your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and step your right next to your left. You're now going to rock the ball of your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and step your left next to your right. You're now going to step forward with your right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock, and then you're going to do a right triple forward, stepping right forward, left together, right forward. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, you're doing your mambos. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, you're going to rock forward with your left foot, recover back onto your right, and then you're going to do a left triple back, stepping left back, right together, left back. We're now going to do syncopated back touches. So we're going to quickly step our right foot back, and you're going to touch your left toe slightly forward. You're now going to quickly step back with your left and touch your right toe slightly forward. Quickly step back with your right and touch your left toe slightly forward. And now we're going to do a ball step, bringing that left foot in and next to your right, and then step forward with your right foot. When you're doing those touches back, you can add some hips in. So when you do them back, you can kind of shimmy your hips as you do those touches if you would like to add a little bit extra in. So now let's try it with some counts. You would have just finished your right triple forward. We're going to rock forward with our left foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Section 3. We're going to do 2 walks forward, stepping forward left, step forward right. You're now going to step forward with your left foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 12 o'clock. You're going to continue this turn over your right shoulder by doing a full turn. You're going to start by making a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 6 o'clock, and then a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. And then we're going to do a left lock step forward, stepping your left foot forward, bring your right foot in and behind your left, step your left foot forward. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our ball step, so weights on your right foot. You're going to do your 2 walks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. You're going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left. You're now going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 9 o'clock. You're now going to do a ball side rock recover. So you're going to bring that right foot in and next to your left. You're then going to rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and then you're going to weave, crossing your left behind your right, right foot to the side, cross your left over your right. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts, rocking forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your mambos. Right side mambo, left side mambo. Step, half, pivot, triple forward. Rock, recover, triple back. Now your touches. Back touch, ball step. Walk, walk, step, half, pivot, half, half, lock, step, forward, rock, recover. Half, quarter, ball side, rock, recover, behind side, cross. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your side mambos. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is going to start on your left foot. You're starting with your mambos. Right side mambo, left side mambo. Step, half, pivot, triple forward. Rock, recover, triple back. Now your touches. Back touch, ball, walk, walk, walk. Step, half, pivot, half, half. Lock, step, forward, rock, recover. Half, quarter, ball side, rock, recover. Behind side, cross side mambos. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Side mambo, step, half, pivot, triple forward. Rock, recover, triple back. Now your syncopated touches. Back touch, ball, step, walk, walk, step, half, 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 lock, step, forward, rock, recover, quarter, half, ball, side, rock, recover, behind side, cross side mambo, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now the song is a lot of fun, so you can add some extra stuff in on all those rocks if you kind of want to bring your hips into it and do a little bit of a sway. You can add some extra in and have a lot of fun with it. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to go to the rear demo and practice as much as you would like, so you can go and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn shot for shot. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
You're my spicy margarita, babe. Burn my tongue, make me shake. Mix it up or give it to me straight. Turn me on, make me say.
Cabo, met that girl in Cabo, wearing Ferragamo. We was going shot for shot like Desperado. Snuck into the bathroom, she might be a problem. I should probably stay away.
spicy margarita, babe. Burn my tongue, make me shake. Mix it up or give it to me straight. Turn me on, make me say.
Shy, 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 shy. I just can't stop. You're the only one I want.
You're my spicy margarita, baby. Burn my tongue, make me say.
Morning, sex me in the morning. Put on a performance. I be going shot for shot for shot. She think I'm Jordan, but she screamed the ruler. My ego enormous. Feeling of your body, babe. Girl, are you crazy? Couldn't even wait for the room. Shaking, shaking, trying to keep up with you.
You're my spicy margarita, babe. Burn my tongue, make me shake. Mix it up or give it to me straight. Turn me on, make me say.
Shy, 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 shy. I just can't stop. You're the only one I want.
You're my spicy margarita, babe. Burn my tongue, make me say.
Is it hot enough?
Yeah, it's hot enough.
Should I take it off?
Yeah,